You're such an asshole.
It's time to go look for Clank, brothers. We're not wasting any time. We get straight into action.
Very charming.
Very charming. Can I talk to you? You ain't got nothing to tell me. Now, I don't know why Shotty decided to grab Clank and run off, but Shotty, that's my twin. That's my twin. Feel me? That's my twin. And don't mind my controller is trash. Shit moves on its own. We don't even worry about all that.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar.
I forgot we got dimension blasted to a dimension where Nefarious is governor.
After making your purchase.
Emperor?
Oh, Emperor.
There are 2 Nefariouses now?
What you got for me?
Clank
Like,
first,
one is enough.
Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
I'm already knowing this some shit. Oh. That was about to activate a cutscene. Oh. Hey! Ooh.
Hey, Lomax!
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in.
Uh-huh.
Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
I don't remember being
Resistance?
conspicuous.
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Shotty using words I ain't never heard before. Clank!
Clank!
Twin is not locked. He doing more looking than moving. It's about action, see? We didn't let the
I need to go after that ship. How can I
twin.
get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? No. Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club
Well, damn.
Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
Oh, this is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious?
I
gonna
think
say?
Shotty got guns for me. Am I
You wanna bring
correct?
a party to every fight? Mr. Fun Guy.
Mr. Fun Guy.
Destroyed little Zircon's enemies and performed at his last birthday party. Mr.
Okay. Type. Well, damn. I ain't got no type of money on. I'll talk to you when I got some motion going. Shit.
That
Ain't no
sounds
money
like a
on.
club, all right.
Oh, well, excuse me. I'm looking outside the club. I can't even get in. Well, I be damned.
Come on, Phantom,
Shit.
where are you?
Damn, let me through, cuz.
Yeah, are you the Phantom?
Nah, watch out. I need the Phantom Troop. Step up now. Alright. Wait, hold on. Shit, we in the club. Shit, we in the club. Hold on, move this bitch. I can't move the camera like how I want to, for real. I feel like we should put... Now, let's pose. Where the pose shit at? Damn, how the fuck? Oh. Yeah. Just like a warrior should. On top of the table. I wish I could move the camera back a little bit more. But it's fine. Oh shit, what the fuck? What the hell? Put it like Hold on, dumbass controller. Put it like right there. And then what the? I can put. All right, that's too much. That's too much. Hide and take this damn picture. Oh, and that's a thumbnail. Now let's get to finding. Yo, what a Phantom Troop at? Yo, watch your back. Is this the Phantom? Okay.
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Already? His ass is moving.
First mission forever, my cover's blown.
Oh, is that the Phantom? Phantom Troop?
Phantom is Skid?
We know him? Twin do a lot of staring. We gotta move.
Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too.
Around him.
That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? That had to be Phantom.
I'm gonna guess it was Phantom Twin.
Phantom! Wait!
Wait!
I was just in the middle of a mission.
Let me talk to you.
I heard you were
My brother. Oh!
Join the resistance, new guy.
My brother.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
I don't even know what the hell the Resistance is, my brother. Let me talk to you. Let me chat with you, my brother. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know which way he went. But I'm busting that shit, my brother. Oh, level up. So don't mind if I do. Oh damn. My brother, is you gonna fight with me or not? Shit is crazy. The fuck? What else you want? It's looking like I can go up right here. Okay, I guess not. Oh, my brother. Oh, my brother just not putting in no work. Hold on. Switch that home on him. Hit him with that. Hit him with that shit. Get your ass up. Hold on. What's wrong with him? All right, bro. Is you prepared to go now? God damn. Hush. Oh, that makes sense. How the?
Stop running!
Oh God.
Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait!
I mean, what the hell, brother?
Wait!
He just leading me down the road of traps, and I'm talking about he ain't putting in no work. Like,
You just get to
they not even paying attention to him. Bro ain't putting in no work. Put in some business. Straight business. Hold on now. Hold on, back up, Cole. Back up, Cole. Again, you're too close with all that shit. Oh, look at that shot out there. I'm finna throw that glitter there. Oh, I love this shit.
Now, where'd you go?
Just like the old days, man. Just like back in the day, man.
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks.
Like he's
What
finna
is
slap me.
this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey!
Oh
What do I
shit.
do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Oh.
What doesn't temporarily resist.
What the fuck?
Jump and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest. Don't be scared.
What the
Use the
fuck?
glove to run along those
What?
lines. You want to go even further?
Oh, no, that's cool. Oh my god. Hey, that's cool.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
It's not safe.
Oh shit, I fuck with that move right there. Can't cap. Phantom Troop Dash. Oh boy, I'm gonna make that shit for wrong with me.
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
So we got another wombat in the mix. I'm supposed to be the only wombat.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp?
Hmm?
You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
Type shit.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Let's see if he actually gonna put in some fucking
How do I
rank.
get to that rooftop?
I mean, he ain't.
I'm coming.
Holy shit. That doesn't
How do I
count.
get to that rooftop?
I let go of L1 not knowing that I had to hold it. Let's continue. That's an enemy? Fuck. Don't give you a chance to look at me. What's wrong with him? Phantom Dash. It's so clean. I'm like, y'all. Yeah. Combos. Watch out, cuz. You in the way of this shit. I just want all that. Fuck wrong with it. Combos. Get out my building, shawty. Stop. Ooh. See, look, I don't have to, like, hold X to do that shit.
Are you headed to the room? You should use that raritanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first.
Okay, so... Oh, I can upgrade. Even better. Ooh, max ammo.
Oh, you are getting
What's this?
it.
Purchase. Okay, I don't have that. Holy shit, brother. Oh. Rapid fire shots are more accurate now.
See? Why
Damn.
settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent?
I see what you're saying, shawty.
Always worth the cost to keep your weapons in tip-top shape.
Holy guacamole. Okay, what about...
Enhancements incoming.
Yeah, I wanna do more on this one, on the shotgun. Uh-huh. Okay. Now let me do. Go down. No, go down. Oh wait. Can I get those back? Damn. Fuck. I should have went this way instead. Alright, we'll be back. Damn. We gotta save up 5.
Thanks again for that.
I'll be back, shawty. Don't worry about it. Let me get that. Oh, bet. You was never here. Hey, Mrs. Zircon, clutch though.
You made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can
Wait, I
see?
did?
Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The
He
nefarious
reminds me of somebody off of,
If you
I think it's
can
called
distract
Alien
the troopers,
51.
I'll hack
I forgot what that movie is
propaganda
called.
blimp and give this city a message
I think it's
you'll
Alien
never
51.
forget.
Damn. I'm losing my memory of my
Looks
childhood.
easy enough.
Whoa, almost ran into that shit. Oh boy, that shit is such a trip every single time. Get up. Stop sleeping.
Citizens of Nefarious City. This is the voice of
Whoa.
resistance. This
Bitch. Holy shit, brother. What's wrong with that? I don't even gotta use none of my ammo and that little dumb shit. I'm trying to find more boxes to get more money. Oh, sure. Let me not. Gotta get all the money we can get. Let me get that. Run it up. Ooh, baby girl, watch how you move. What's this? Guess I'll never. Oh, somebody busting that shit. Stop. Don't mind. They sending the little bites. Send something bigger. Oh, what is? Yeah, I'm right on you. I'm pulling up. Fuck. You didn't even see it coming. You didn't even see it coming, brother. Holy shit, back up. What the fuck wrong there? Back up. Grenades. Oh, yes. Oh, shit. Hold on. Turn around. Pull up. What down? I mean, I didn't do that shit all the way out. Oh. What the hell? I don't have any more. Are you serious? I forgot I only have a certain amount. Bitch. Stop. I keep forgetting I can't step on that shit. I gotta pull in closer. Bitch. Stop that shit. What's wrong with her? I'm not even down there no more. Bitch, I'm behind you. Look at this step back. Hold on. They pulling up. Don't get too close now. Ooh, hot shit unleashed. What the fuck? There's see. Oh, what's out here? Hey, anybody else? Anybody else? Cause I can do this already. Bitch! I feel like I'm supposed to continue going on. Oh, that. Bitch! I need ammo. Oh, whoa. Little shit everywhere. Bring these little shits in, though. Okay. Hold on. Let me step up there. Cause I know it's some shit I gotta complete. Get these little shits to just stop coming. Cause his little ass, I mean, he ain't doing shit. Like, fuck, help me, nigga.
Finally, Nefarious Tower, here I come.
About time.
Wow, when'd you learn how to go? Looks like I touched a nerve.
Well, damn, cool. I ain't even make sure my shit was. I just started recording it.
She'll help you get
We
into the
good.
Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
Bet.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Sheesh. Aura.
Stay strong, brother!
Wait,
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here?
that's not good, is it? Okay. Work it.
All right. All I gotta do now,
Oh, this is
fast,
nice.
is head to the statue, use Glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just take it
Word
a
in
little
that corner.
longer.
Whoa. But y'all don't talk because I might keep the next day.
I forgot to mention earlier, I have spy on in a factory for resistance brands. Maybe.
Ha! That has to be the access console.
Are they bowing down to that shit? Oh boy, I'm already knowing this.
Where did you even come
I'm already knowing he aggravating me. That is a good question right there. Where did you come from? What wrong with it? What wrong with it? What wrong with it? What wrong with it? Can't shoot me when I'm behind this shit. Bitch! Bitch! Got one more. What the?
Wow.
I am glad to see
Mid
you have survived the
fight,
journey.
brother.
Now die.
No die. I'm trying to get these. I'm trying to get that. I'm trying to get that loot as I'm. Oh shit! Let me chill. I'm glad to see you survive the journey. Now die. Throw on. Are those beams hitting him as well? Oh yes. Oh yes. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Oh, damn, he hit me with that shit. You right, cannot take much more of this shit.
Not again.
Alright, bet.
At least it was
I fuck with being here. I did like to change the scenery though. I was not complaining. Stop that shit. Stop that shit. Bro, is that little shit biting me?
I will crush you for your defiance.
I got a couple more shots in this shit. Yeah, he done.
There. Now I can finally plug glitch into the access
Oh
console.
hell, brother. This one.
Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the hustling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now.
What can this little shit do? Do I have a new companion? Oh, I was talking to the what? We high tech in this bitch.
Huh. Seems like a nice guy.
Whoa.
I probably just have to delete some files, and then he'll be all set.
What the? Okay, let's focus. Cause whoa, this shit just tripped me out.
Electro guns, please don't kill me.
I'm fighting viruses.
Pods sucking energy from the computer.
What the fuck?
The infection is starting to clear. Good.
This is really cool, honestly.
I guess I can try
Like, what's
to
that?
help him.
It's a show where it shows like where it's based off like viruses and shit and like inside the body. Not Magic School, but they've done that shit before. But it's something else this reminds me of. Bitch, I got straight automatic fire. What the fuck? Oh my god. Nah, this is a cool concept. I really fuck with this. Oh my. Boy, that shit quick. Oh my god. That part really gets me. Oh, Jesus.
Electro guns can't even scratch them. I did it.
And then this thing is talking.
I really, well, anyway, looks like the computer is back online.
Type shit. Okay. That was a nice little side quest.
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
Nefarious. And we just walking in cluelessly.
Warbombs, 5 planet-destroying cannons, and a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only the blasted dimension.
Hold up. Nice. That's probably gonna be the thumbnail, my boy.
Still worked.
Clank.
Huh?
Just spam the hell out of that.
After him!
Oh shit. Let me get that. Come on, that's what we need right there.
I'm coming, Clank. No.
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
You gotta be kidding me.
need a password. I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha!
Who the fuck? Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. I'll obliterate you. W password. I mean, that's real in some sense. Sargasso.
So then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look!
I hate when
as
people
new
do
as
that,
I'm sure
bruh.
This Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Help! We under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out.
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
Shit, I didn't see not what he said, bitch. God damn. So now I
Where are
am.
you taking me?
Now I'm
Take
shouty.
you to my hideout. But first, I gotta rescue my friends at the Gelatonic.
Let me get all that. Hold on, let me get out. I know this crystal got some of this shit. What the? Fuck? Alright, what guns? I still got the same guns. Okay. A little bit different, but similar. Of course, you got a Phantom Dash. What? Oh shit! I can't walk on water.
I haven't been out this far in a while. A lot
Okay,
of
so we gotta go a
swamp
different way.
acid here in the Mort's Gelatonic
What's this?
factory.
Oh
Those
shit!
beetles
It's the
appear to
store.
have no issue with the
Let me see.
acidic swamp water.
Do I got motion?
Yeah.
Bitch.
That's why I'm gonna ride one.
If you don't turn
Soon
the
as
fuck
I can get
around.
close enough. This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our
Top brew.
mutual
What the?
brand on Nefarious City.
Okay.
What that little shit do? Turns them into a flower.
Need a beam that will not quit? Check out the
Oh, we
Negatron
got
Collider
5,000.
to tear through whatever you put in front of it.
Legends tell of a weapon
Hey, buy that
that
bitch.
contains energy so powerful, a beam of it will obliterate enemies with the mere press of a button. And it is called...
Go ahead,
I'm
upgrade
away.
that.
I'm away. Oh my. Boy. Nah, that is very tempting. What the? Are you serious? I just threw a goddamn bomb at a fucking. What the hell? I was about to call that a beetle, but that shit just. What the? What? These flies off jerks. Man, these little shits out the sky, bro. Oh, hell nah. What? Man, get y'all little ass on somewhere.
You dispatch them quite capably.
Not playing with them little
Dimensional
shit.
distortion is emanating from that cave.
Hey, twin, hold on. Let me. What's wrong with they ass? Trying to gang up on nigga and shit. What this is? Bitch, open up. Bitch. My bad, twin.
And the last Speedo runs into that rift thingy. Alright, Smarty Bot. What is this place?
A dimensional pocket? Perhaps a symptom of the Dimensionator's destruction.
Nah, Dimensional Pocket is a good take.
Mortis helper bot.
I would have had
Must have
nothing to
wandered in
say.
through the rift somehow.
There is the Speetle.
Hold on, let me get these. Yeah. We need all that.
No, don't hide.
Major motion.
Well, hello there.
What is this?
Gotcha.
Oh shit. We can go across the water.
Maybe Maynard can lead me to the ports.
Oh yeah, let me break through. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. I ain't need that other shit back there. Yes, 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 yes. Money glitch. Damn, this little shit hard to control though. God damn, I got all the way off course. Fuck, how I get back up there? It was all for the money. I can't jump with this little shit either. Oh my god. Bro, I gotta go all the way back around. Oh shit, I didn't not pick up some. Hey, I minor detour for a little bit extra coins. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Speed. Oh, tap that ass. Damn.
Now, if we could get away from this acid.
What the? I can speed boost forever, bro. Holy shit.
Excuse me.
Look out!
Oh.
Got it. I got it.
Oh.
See? Sometimes I don't.
Oh. Oh shit.
Stop. 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 Stop.
Okay, so I can get on beetles now. That is wonderful.
There's the gelatonium factory. I'm coming, Morts.
We didn't follow that Lombax and his Robopet across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you got like 9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Hang on there now.
Hey, let me move.
See? They are looking for Ratchet.
Come on now. They looking for Ratchet, bro.
Whatever.
Her ass playing with Clank and shit. Oh shit, hold on, no, wrong weapon. Yeah, get it out of the way so I don't end up actually hitting that shit. Shit. I'm one of them. Oh, level up. Gang shit. Gang shit, no lane shit. Ufu lane shit, now where it is, since I'm shot at your feet.
Perhaps they were sucked through the dimensional vortex as well.
Hold on, I see what I gotta do. Bitch, hold on. Get the fuck down. The fuck? I ain't playing with nobody. Pull up, run up, get done up. Oh, what? Fuck. Fuck. Fuck, you can't even see me throwing that little shit. Oh, you just hit a woman. Take him down. Boy, just hit a woman, man. What's wrong with him? What, I just leveled up? Oh, regular level up. Excuse that. Oh my, I didn't. L-map knowledge. L-map knowledge. What the fuck? I didn't realize where the fuck I was. I'm gonna be completely honest. Shit, y'all see me? I'm not performing. Y'all good.
Mort! Good, you're okay.
Us? Oh, when we heard those fellas were after a Lombax, we were worried about you. Well, next thing we know, you're
Ruining
here
shit.
saving our behinds.
Wait, where are the others?
Well, some of the Morts are stuck inside of that mess there. Not a clue what it is. All I know is it keeps getting bigger. Oh,
She's
between
not
that and our
worried
new
at
neighbor
all.
Up there, we are not doing too fine.
These little centipede shits is OD.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, and to keep you all busy while I'm gone, got this at Zerky's. Mort can finally fix that ship she's been working on.
Zerky's? Oh, those pirates didn't give you any trouble, did they?
Only a little.
You can give this to Mort yourself once you get her from that purple mess over there.
Oh. So you didn't want my offering.
Get about,
Bitch.
I hope.
I'm here to buy. I'm here to buy this time.
Getting the
I'm here.
point? Hit them over and over.
Ricochet. Hold on. Let me see something.
Just shoot it at your useless enemy. Oh my! And then it will pop back up next to them. Then what? Pull the fire trigger to hit them again, and again, and again.
Yo, don't say anything else.
One is so.
That shit is hard. Now let's go over here. We got the burst pistol.
Upgrades ready. You.
I'm gonna focus a little bit on the shatter bomb. Increase area effect. Yep. Shutter bombs. Shots fire at a higher higher rate. And we're gonna do that one. Yep. Give the shatter bomb a little bit of love.
Do hate to see you go, sugar.
Hey, I'm stunning like my daddy, boys. So we got what? Something over there. Head to the hideout or investigate the dimensional anomaly nearby. Sheesh. Decisions to be made on the next fucking video. I got other shit to do, baby. You know.
When the time is I'm cold, I'm fucking stressing. That shit, I want to stop my eyes, go get high. You shouldn't even think about that shit, just talking out the eyes. When I think about my skill set, like breath off your mind. When I think about something that you always on, I was running to dead and I'm pretty bad. Every night I'm bad, my trust made me find so long.